the center that we have today, this is called the Penguin Number Bonds, okay? So there's enough supplies in here. This is not a game that you need a partner to play with, but there's enough supplies in here that you each can play at the same time. So before I start explaining this game, I want you to go ahead and each of you take out a number bond. There's 2 boxes, so make sure you have a box of counters, and then you need a dry erase marker, okay? All right, so this tells me that I need 7 pieces, okay? I'm trying to figure out how to make the number 7. I need 7 pieces. So I'm gonna take my dry erase marker and I'm gonna go ahead and write 7. I want you to do the same thing, okay? I'm gonna read my number bond that tells me I need 7 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now my number bond tells me that it wants me to put 3 on the top. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. Now I have to use them all. I don't get a choice because it told me I needed 7. So the rest of my counters are going to go in my bottom circle. So you can see that if I have 3, 1, 2, 3 in my top circle, that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in my bottom circle. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to write in the number 4 because the numbers 3 and 4, when you add them together, they equal 7, okay? When you're done with one problem, you need to clear your board because you don't want to get confused and use the wrong number, okay? So I'm going to clear my board, and my next number tells me I need 8. So let's go ahead and do one more together. So I'm going to write the number 8. How many pieces do I need if it told me 8? That's right, I need 8 pieces. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 pieces. Now my board gives me my directions. It wants me to take 4 of my pieces and move it to the top circle. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I do with the rest of them? They need to go in my bottom circle. So I see that if I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in my top circle, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in my bottom circle because 4 plus 4 equals, when you put them together, they're 8, okay? All right, so you've got 2 of your problems done. I want you to try to finish the rest of these during center time. Now remember that centers for math is math learning time, not playing time. So I shouldn't see these flying in the air, and I should see some completed work when you're finished, okay? Now, this was a little bit of a hard center, so if you don't understand what to do, watch the video again and do those 2 problems with me again to make sure that you understand what I'm asking you to do. And when you're finished, when time's up for math, you're going to put your name on it. You're going to put it in the blue basket. If you're not finished, that's certainly okay. It's a lot of work to do today. So you're going to put this in the red folder, and you're going to put it over there until you can finish it tomorrow.